Are you tired of spending an insane amount of time and effort creating dropshipping stores and selling these products that nobody wants to buy? I'm going to help you with my strategies that will attain 7 to 8 figure dropshipping stores in 2024. Now, this isn't any sort of generic advice. I'm going to show you exactly how to stand out from the competition with game-changing product research criteria and strategies. I'm Masim Suleiman, and I've created a 7-figure dropshipping store in the recent years. That is 3 million rand doing e-commerce from South Africa. Now, I started when I was 17 years old, just being on Discord and selling electronic products around South Africa. And I want to teach you how you can do exactly the same. This is a life of time freedom, location freedom, and you are able to keep on scaling up your businesses if you have the right strategies in place and always keeping up with the latest trends. This is the make or break when it comes to dropshipping. The product cost and the sales cost. You're supposed to get as low as possible when it comes to the product that you're wanting to supply to your customers at the other end of the screen. Therefore, you are able to add high amounts of profit to that item. We've all heard it. Dropshipping constraints might be the low margins on the items that you're selling. That's why I always like to go for high ticket orders or high ticket sales. Meaning, if I'm going to be selling something for 5,000 Rand, I'm always looking to add at least 2,000 to 3,000 Rand profits. This is because the high value that the other customer sees in it. If I'm doing 5 sales at 2,000 Rand, that means I only need 5 sales again to make 10,000 Rand. If you're doing low ticket sales from 300 Rand to 500 Rand and looking to take home less in profits, you guys need to then be selling more products to your customers. This will then allow you to take advantage of the low margins to make more returns on your dropshipping stores. That will allow you to be making more profits on your stores every single month. The wow factor. Now, this wow factor could manifest in various forms. It could either be an item with a stunning design, or an item that is hard to find elsewhere, or an item that solves a persistent problem. It's about offering an experience or a solution that compels your customers to take action. Imagine the impact of a product that not only meets the expectations of your customers, but also exceeds them. A wow factor product doesn't just satisfy, it impresses, creating a lasting impression and keeps your customers coming back for more. So as a dropshipping supplier, your mission is clear. Hunt for products that possesses this wow factor. This in turn will transform your e-commerce journey, setting you apart in a sea of competition and ultimately leading you to increased sales and customer satisfaction. Now listen, if you guys want more help and more guidance on dropshipping, we have a full-on program that teaches you everything that is to know about dropshipping down below in the description. Now we move on to the next part, where to find your product ideas. Now I know a lot of you guys are already searching through or at least scrolling through TikTok aimlessly, but have you ever thought of using TikTok for positive use? For a lot of people that are into the fashion niche, electronic niche, you guys will scroll past new ideas and new opportunities of items to sell every single day. It's time for you to take a break and slowly understand what is currently selling on the market. If you guys want to look at more places, there's online marketplaces such as AliExpress or even Amazon bestsellers. Now, Amazon is currently being introduced into South Africa, so it's the perfect time for you guys to get started with them. Also, there's Google Trends. You can search volume and interest over time for specific products or niches. This can help you spot your rising trends. Now, moving on to the current seasons that might be in. So if you are in the summer niche or moving into the summer season, then the best thing to do is to sell things that will help you solve problems inside of those niches relating to the season. So if you're in summer, the best thing to do is sell pool items. Now, if you're moving on to winter season, the best thing to sell is probably items that will keep people warm during winter. That is just ballpark ideas. As I mentioned earlier, I actually have a full-on course that explains how I was able to make 2 million Rand in the last 2 years dropshipping. This also comes with a community group where you can tap in and communicate with like-minded individuals such as yourself that are wanting and hungry to make money online. This is a perfect place to speak about products, speak about items that are potentially great to sell in the next Q4 period or even in 2024. Please, if you guys have enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and leave a like and maybe even a comment, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.